temporal contrast, so contrast in time, one time versus another, or as probably we could better speak about it as stories or narrative. And so a lot of what I'm going to be talking about in the next few minutes, at least, come from Robert McKee and his Robert McKee's story, which is all about screenwriting. And games we often borrow from movies, almost kind of like it's our older sibling, and like they are a little bit more. Movies are sort of a little bit more, I guess, established and studied, I suppose. Games are still kind of a fledgling sort of medium, and we're still trying to find our footing and find sort of what games do really well. And so oftentimes, I know Naughty Dog a lot of times looks towards sort of screenwriting. I know a lot of people are we're very sort of influenced by Robert McKee's story, and I really suggest you pick up his book if you have a chance. But I also can definitely recommend Save the Cat. I have a number of colleagues that believe very strongly in this book as well. So if you are looking more in depth on story structure, how to put good narrative together, I definitely suggest you check these out. But so I'm going to touch a little bit lightly on some of the concepts specifically that McKee talks about that have to do with this sort of emotional beats in succession. So let's see. So McKee talks about story structure, essentially saying that structure is a selection of events from a character's life. Story is composed. Structure is a selection of events from a character's life stories that is composed into strategic sequence to arouse specific emotions and to express a specific view of life. So the thing is that if you were to portray a person's life on screen, anyone's life has quite a lot of really boring moments in it, and essentially the writer has taken a selection of events from these characters' life, and the reason why has the author specifically picked these moments, these events, and it's because we are trying to tell. What a story does is essentially arouse a specific emotion, express a specific view of life in the sort of ordering and the telling of these events. So this story is a medium, like many other artistic mediums. Story is a medium for arousing emotion.